I told my best friend I was running a half marathon, and she said that she wanted to run it with me. Amazing! Now I had my training schedule, my warm clothes for running in the cold, and my best friend to run it with me. Things could not be better, except I hit a problem. You see, my husband, a lot of times, he works really long hours. And so I couldn't figure out how I was going to practice my running to train for the marathon if he was gone all day long and I had to take care of the baby. I was picturing myself maybe running like this or like this. I didn't know how I was going to do this. So I kind of started getting sad again because I had been so excited to run this race, but now it felt like maybe I wasn't going to be able to do it. Well, some friends of ours down the street, they heard me talking about wanting to run the race, but not really knowing how with the baby. And so one night they knocked on our door. I opened the door, and standing in front of me, there they were with a big jogging stroller that they wanted to give us for free.